Alright, so guys, HMD Global is rumored to launch a few new smartphones, including the upcoming Nokia flagship smartphone, the Nokia 9.3 PureView. But in the meantime, the company has announced the launch of two new feature phones, the Nokia 125 and Nokia 150. So guys, both devices come with a nice long design to make space for the big 2.4-inch screen and bigger case. Sadly, the Nokia 125 doesn't come with a camera on the back, but it has a flashlight. So both phone uses a well-known Series 30 Plus feature phone OS with the rest of the specs including 4 MB of RAM, 4 MB of expandable internal storage, 1020 mAh removable battery, FM radio and 3.5mm headphone jack. Moreover, the buttons on the phones are also bigger, which makes it easier for dialing numbers, navigation and texting. Also, there is the classic snack game, MP3 player, a rear camera along with a flash and wireless FM radio in the Nokia 150. The Nokia 125 arrives in charcoal black and powder white colors and has been priced at $24, while the Nokia 150 arrives in red, cyan and black colors and is priced at $29, and I think this is amazing.